Hello all. If any of you want to share your interview experience through our YouTube channel, you are always welcome. Please do share your contact information and what are the companies that you got placed in to our email ID techmyhire@gmail.com, and we will contact you and we can make a video. So let's move into the video.
Hello everyone. The job date is from IBM. So they are going to hire 2021 pass out students and for the role of associate system engineer. So let's have a look on the responsibilities for the candidates who are going to apply for this job from the IBM. So they have mentioned that the role is for associate system engineer. And coming to the responsibilities, so the candidates better to have programming knowledge on Java, Python, or Node.js and software development lifecycle concepts. And the work location, those candidates who are cleared the written test and interview process, everything. So
Before going further, I have an information for you. Have you ever wondered how to get a job in service-based companies? Get a chance to know about the entire process for a service-based company, how to apply, where to apply, how to prepare for the test and all, from Anshul, who have himself mentored more than 300 students to get placed in different companies like Capgemini and Accenture. And in this show, you will get to know the entire hiring process of Capgemini and in-depth process for that, and how to prepare for that, and how to prepare your resume to stand out from the crowd. And also you will get a chance to interact with Anshul live in the show and get your queries resolved. And if you ever wonder where to watch this show, it's nowhere else than Unacademy, guys. So all you need to do is get a subscription from Unacademy, and let me tell you what are the benefits that you have when you get a subscription from Unacademy. You can get a chance, you can watch different live shows like cracking top brands and tips on technical and interview rounds, and how to join big tech brands, improving your coach of profile, interview of top tech leaders and folks who made it big, and architecture breakdown of popular apps, and understanding the hiring process, and many other shows as well. So you will get access to all these live shows and much more. For more information about the shows and their timings, you can refer this weekly calendar. So if you are interested, get a subscription from Unacademy as soon as possible. Check out the description for the link, and don't forget to use my coupon code TechMyHair, where you will get 10% discount.
they are going to get a location at Mumbai or Pune, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad. So within these locations, candidate may get any location. So based on the maybe they give some priority, like they may give ask you to set some priority options to which location you have to work on. Otherwise they will allocate you based on the business requirement for a particular location. So this will happen after you got job in IBM. And so coming to the required technical and personal expertise, they are expecting candidates must be fluent in English, like in written or spoken skills. And so these are the different technical skills that they mentioned here. And coming to the eligibility criteria, like the candidates from BE, MTech, MSc, MCA in computer science or IT or mathematics or other semi IT circuit branches. So the percentage that need to be maintained, that was minimum 6 GPA, 58% or 5.8 CGPA in case of Maharashtra. So this thing is for only Maharashtra. And coming to other states, people need to maintain 6 GPA. Suppose if they have percentage, they have to convert in CGPA. Otherwise, if they CGPA, they may convert into a percentage. So for other states, 6 CGPA is the mandatory. For Maharashtra people, these are the eligibility criteria for the candidates. So they have mentioned like calculation of qualifying marks. Suppose sum of marks obtained divided by sum of total of maximum marks obtainable. So this thing can calculate the qualifying marks by the candidates. So this thing is about the job date from IBM. So everything about eligibility criteria and work location and the required skills that they are mentioned here. Let me show like how can we apply for this job. So I will provide the link, direct link in the description. You can go through it. So after clicking on apply now, you will direct to the page where we ask to provide some data. So this page is not about completely about job, job registration form. This thing is for future communication with IBM. Suppose if you give your data here, what will happen is, like, suppose if there is any job update in future, and if your data is matching for those roles and eligibility criteria, then they will communicate you through mail, to send a job date through mail from directly from IBM. So if you need any job details from IBM, you can give this data here. You can connect with IBM here. Otherwise, if you need to skip and you can directly apply for the job role that they mentioned, you can like click on no thanks and continue to apply. So after clicking on this, it will take to this page where you can directly apply for the job role that they mentioned. And you can see like as I mentioned, it is like associate system engineer and everything as I mentioned, roles and responsibilities, work location and everything. They have given here like required education, bachelor's degree or a master's degree in BE, BTech, BE, MTech, MSc, MCA, and CSIT. So everything as I mentioned before. So at the last, you can see apply to the job or save. So you can apply to the job. You can click here, and it will take to the page where you can apply for the job. So you have to create an account to apply for this job here. So you can directly use your LinkedIn profile or Facebook account or a Twitter account. You can sign up like this. Otherwise, you can directly um, you can click here like don't have an account yet. So you can click on this and you can create an account before applying for this job. So for this, have to agree all the private statements that they mentioned, privacy statements that they mentioned here. You can read entire thing and simply you can click agree. So by before creating an account here, so after agree on this, you can create an account like you have to give email address, password. You have to create your password here, and for security purpose in future, if you miss it, you forgot your password, like, for security question, you can now select one and you can give here. So by this, you can create an account at here, and later on it will be move to registration page where you have to give your entire details like first name, last name, and email ID for communication, phone number, and resume. And they have mentioned some criteria like from BE. So all those eligibility criteria they have mentioned, they will ask for your qualification and your percentage. They have to maintain 66 GPA, and from Maharashtra it will be like 5.8. So these things will be asked by the team. So you have to give your personal data and education details at there. So after submitting data, the further communication will be mailed. But through the mail, team will be communicated you for the written test or direct interview process. Later, it will be communicated from the IBM. So this is job date. So I will provide the link in the description. So for that, I will show you the process how you can create an account and you can apply for the job. Later, after creating an account, you can simply log into the this portal, and it will take to the page where you have to give your data to the registration form for this job role that they mentioned in the IBM. So it will be simple. You have to simply give your personal data at the same time education data. After that, you have to submit the registration form, and later further communication will be through mail from the IBM team. So I will provide the link in the description. You can go through it. And so this is the job update from IBM. And keep watching our YouTube channel. We will post job updates and interview experience and lot more from placement, complete placement assistance from our YouTube channel called Tech My Hire. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you.